And don't forget, the touch controllers are also new. The new sensors track their position in 3D space all on their own without using the headset, so you can get a full 360-degree range of motion.
Meta Quest Pro took the spotlight for Meta Connect 2022 and recent VR news. What I haven't heard many people talk about are the controllers for the Meta Quest Pro. In this video, I'll discuss the features of these controllers and why it makes them the most advanced VR controllers to date, as well as my take on whether this tech is worth its price. During Meta Connect 2022, they did spend some time talking about these Touch Pro controllers and how they're self-tracking with upgraded haptics. Later on, the developers at Meta were able to discuss much further into detail of new features like index finger sensing, thumb rest force sensing, and more. Meta spent time talking about True Touch haptics, but what does that mean? Let's try to explain True Touch simply enough so I don't put you to sleep. The Touch Pro controllers now include 3 separate haptic motors seen at these places in the picture. This feature allows for players to feel haptic vibration from the place where they touch the object in VR. For example, if you pinch an object with your thumb and index finger, you would feel the vibration from the index trigger and the thumb rest. Kinda cool, right? A new feature that was not mentioned at all during the Connect is index finger sensing. The sensors are advanced to the point where they can track your fingers curling and sliding motion. The inward side of the controllers has the thumb rest, which is also a pressure sensor. This sensor can sense up to 6 newtons of force, and when combined with the index finger sensing, it allows a precision pinch grip interaction in the app or the game you're playing. I can see different functionalities with this feature, like activating different functions depending on how much pressure you apply. One of the features that I also see coming to life is the ability to use the controller and hand tracking at the same time, which is coming in a future update. This feature will be cool for work cases and even games like table tennis and golf. If you don't plan on getting the Quest Pro headset, you can purchase the Touch Pro controllers separately for $299 later this year to use with your Quest 2 or Quest 3 in the future. The big question a lot of people are asking is, are the Quest Touch Pro controllers worth the price? All of these features are great to include controller tracking even if it's not in line with the sensors of the headset. They are the next step in the right direction for VR controllers. With that being said, I still don't think it's worth the $299 Meta is asking for. Add another $100 and you can buy yourself another Quest 2. I could see someone with a Quest 2 buying these if both of their controllers are broke so they have to get new ones, which in this case I guess you could spend a little bit more for advanced controllers. Besides that, I really don't think it'll be worth the price for everyday VR users. These controllers are obviously pretty cool and advanced. Meta Quest Pro VR headset is also pretty cool and advanced, which you can learn more about in this video you see now.